Today we're talking about new construction. How do I find a reliable builder? Well, there's no better way to do that than walking into a house, right? So if you're really specific on the builder that you want to use, I'd recommend you go to their subdivisions. They're usually building an entire subdivision, so you can go walk through various stages of a house being built. Usually they're going to have like the same plan, mirror images of it with some different colors and stuff, but you can really kind of see how they build the house and how long it takes them and what kind of finishes they use. They'll have a model home on site, so you can really get a clear idea of what the product's going to be once it's complete. If you care a lot about the neighborhood, you're probably going to want to go to whatever neighborhood that you were planning on living in and just drive around. I know that's super inefficient, but that's kind of the best way to find new construction, unless you're like hell bent on having one particular builder. Then you can just go to their website and they'll show you exactly where they're building all of their homes. But finding someone who's reliable, who you want to work with, check their license. There's in Oregon, it's called the CCB. You're going to just look it up online. It's the state of Oregon keeps track of the contractor's license, and anytime they have a problem with a consumer, it's going to be listed on that website. So something you should definitely check. And then ask for references. I mean, why wouldn't you ask for, hey, can you give me some happy homeowners that I can talk to about the process and how it was to work with you? Most of the big builders, though, like you're going to walk in, you're going to say, hey, I want the one that's already done right there. Or they're going to say, oh, that one's sold. I have another one exactly like that, 2 houses down, and it'll be done 2 months from now. So it's a relatively simple process if you're buying from a big builder. So, and then, of course, you should have an agent because that person's going to help you vet the contractor and give you the pros and cons. I mean, I've seen construction companies that retain mineral rights on your property after it's sold. So there's definitely some things that you should check out before buying new construction. It's not always just super simple. So call me if you want some help. I'm always here. And thanks so much for tuning in to this week's Dear Claire. Take care.